Hello everyone, welcome to the Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, June 27, 2019. The time is around 3:30 a.m. GMT. We are looking today at the chart of the pound dollars, and you can see right here that the rally that starts from June 18. Okay, this rally is proposed to be in a 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, so in other words, this is a 5 waves and ended with A in the larger degree. So that suggests that we are calling this as with A of a zigzag. Right, and then currently in the shorter cycle is correcting this entire rally that starts from June 18 within the wave P, and then the correction is proposed to be another zigzag, an ABC here, ABC, but of course in the lower degree, in the black degree here. So this one looks impulsive, looks like a 5 waves A, and so now we got a couple of different possibilities here, but the idea is that as far as the pullback stays above 1.25, we can extend higher, right? The pound dollars is expected to do another leg higher in the wave C. Okay, now in the shorter cycle though, we could be doing something like this: first ABC before the next leg higher, or let's say if we break down from here if we break down from here, then this P could be completed already here, and we are now already in the C leg. But still, as far as the C stays above 125.05, we like more upside, or we can expect more upside in the pair, right? Another possibility is it goes higher from here. Now if it goes higher from here, what we can do here is we could be doing a flat, so we could be ending with 5 here, right? We could be ending with 5 here. So we got a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, ending it here, and then we can have a flat here in which this is A, B, and then this is 5 waves, ended the C over here, right? Ended the C over here, and if that is the count, then we should be extending higher without making new low. So it's possible. All right, so I think whether it is a flat, or whether it is an ABC like this, or whether it is directly going lower in the C, now all the three possibilities, there's just that as far as this low 125 is holding, all right, we can see more upside in the pound dollars. All right, so for that reason, then we do not like to speculate on the pullback or selling the pullback, because it can also rally from here if it is doing a flat, despite what looks like a 5 waves from here. Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed the video, and as always, if you like it, then please click that like and subscribe button. And then also, if you want to see other forecasts, you can check out our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video below in the YouTube. All right, so see you all again tomorrow.